Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super soft, creamy, moisturizing aloe vera face cream. So all you're going to need is some glycerin, some aloe vera leaf juice, which I purchased from my local grocery shop, shea butter, emulsifying wax, ceataryl alcohol, some argan oil, and some distilled water. So I'm going to combine the water part together. So I'm going to combine the water and the aloe vera juice and my glycerin together, and then I'm going to combine my argan oil, my shea butter, and my ceataryl alcohol and my emulsifying wax together. And then I'm going to transfer it into a water bath. This face cream is so beautiful. You can use it on your body, but I think because it has argan oil and stuff, those things are a little bit expensive, so you're better off using it for the important parts of your body. But if you can afford it, you can always use it as a body lotion. So I'm basically going to put that over heat and make sure everything is boiled and melted and at the same temperature. I'm then going to add the oil part to the water. Make sure you use a glove or a napkin for this. I have African fingers, so I don't burn. So I'm going to stick blend that together just so it combines whilst it's still in the heat. And then I'm going to get it out of the water bath and then stick blend it a little bit more. So as you can see, it's super hot, so I'm going to allow it to cool a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and then stick blend it a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more until it's completely cooled. Well, not completely cooled, till it's almost cooled. When it's almost cooled, I'm going to add my preservative, a drop of vitamin E, and some essential oils just for scent. For this, I use liquid GMO plus for my preservative, but you can use whatever preservative you prefer. And then I just added ylang ylang essential oil because I love the smell of it, but you can use whatever essential oils you prefer. And then that was pretty much it. Once that was done, it was basically ready to be poured into bottles, and it was ready for use. Pouring this lotion into jars was so satisfying. You don't need jars for this because it's quite a light lotion, so you can use a bottle if you don't have jars. But guys, this really works. Like, your skin will literally look different the next day once you start using it. Try it out, let me know how you go. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.